Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalyan Chandrakant Jagdale. Today I am going to explain the concept of data type. Data is the basic unit of information which we will store somewhere, and whenever necessary we will retrieve it back. The space where we will store the data is the memory of computer called as RAM. To store a data, we need a variable name by which we will reference the data whenever necessary. Thus, in all data has two things: one the variable name and other the memory space, that is memory location, or also it is called as storage space. Now a question arises: after telling computer to store the data, where it should be stored in memory, and how much memory should be needed by this data? To answer this question, different computer languages have different facilities called as data type. Thus the variable name given to data must be declared of specific data type. For example, in Fortran, in this language, variable started their names with I, J, K, L, M and N are considered as of integer type, while remaining are of real type. In C, there are four basic data types called as built-in data types. These are int, float, that is float, double, double, and char, that is character. Int data type is to store integer data. Float and double are used to store real data. Char, that is char, is to store character data. Note that in C, character data is internally considered as of integer type. These data types have many qualifiers like integer data type. Int has qualifiers: short, short, long, long, sign, signed, and unsigned, unsigned. Also, this is applicable to character, that is char. Real data type, float and double, have qualifier long. Now, classification of data type in C. Data types are divided into three types, that is built-in or basic data type, second is derived data type, and third is user defined data type. Derived data types, these are the derived data types, that is array and structure, but they are some special purpose. Like array is used to store specific number of data of same data type, while structure is used to store any number of data of dissimilar data types. Next is user defined data type. These data type are also derived either from basic data types or from derived data types, but user can rename them as in his or her own data type. For example, built-in data types, that is, suppose num is the variable you declared as int num. It reserves 2 bytes in memory. Suppose you declared variable as float. It reserves 4 bytes in memory. You declared variable name as double. It reserves 8 bytes in memory. If you declare the variable name as character, it reserves 1 bytes in memory. Using different qualifiers, we also can declare long int or unsigned char, etc. When long qualifier is used, then 8 bytes are reserved for int and 10 bytes for long double. Derived data types. Suppose you declare variable num as derived data types. We declare derived data type using built-in data type, that is int num, and in square bracket we declare it as array type, and you have given the size to that variable. Suppose num is the variable you declared as int num, in square bracket you give the size is 5. That times it reserves space for 5 integers, that is 5 into 2 is 10 bytes. Suppose you declared variable as structure. That time you declared just like struct employee. Take the example. Structure is of means in structure you group different data types in one. Suppose name is the variable is of character types and its size is around 50. Then you have to declare age as integer, salary as float, and all these different types of variables you group into one, that is called as struct, and that structure you have given the name as employee. So the definition is struct keyword struct employee. In curly brace you declared name as character, that is char name, and its size, that is 50. Then semicolon. Next variable is age. You declare it as integer. Means you have to write the statement as int age. Then semicolon. Then next variable is salary. You declare it as float. Float salary. You note that for character you have given the size as 50. Means 50 into 1, it reserves 50 bytes, plus for integer it reserves 2 bytes, and for salary it reserves 4 bytes. That is 56 bytes in memory when a variable struct employee is declared. User defined data types. Suppose you write the statement like type def struct keyword, then structure name that is considered as employee, and structure variable that is EMP. Then you declared variable of structure, that is, you know that the declaration of variable name is using data types. Means syntax of declaration of variable in C is data type name, then variable name, and after that semicolon. Suppose you declared E1 and E2 as EMP types. Here the struct employees derive data type by using typedef facility. We rename it as EMP. Now onwards, we can use EMP as our own data type to declare E1 and E2 of EMP type. Data type is a collection of object and the set of operation that can act on those object. What is meant by data object? Data object is a set or group of element. Element may be finite or infinite. Thank you so much.